Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic we are going to discuss is sums involving the negative of linear algebraic expressions. Students, open your booklets at page number 31 first so you can understand the topic easily. Students, in this topic you can see there is two algebraic expressions involved with brackets. One algebraic expression have no sign outside of the bracket and one algebraic expression have a negative sign. That means this is the sum in which negative of an algebraic expression is involved. Right? How you can solve these types of sums? Let's solve an example to understand the procedure. Now your example is x minus 1 plus square bracket negative of 2x plus 3. In the topic of combined operations on numbers, we have learned that if there is more than one pair of brackets involved, you will solve the innermost bracket first, right? You will solve the innermost bracket first. So first we will expand this bracket, and as we have discussed in the previous lesson that there is no sign outside with this term 2x, that means it's positive. And when you will calculate the negative of a linear algebraic expression, you will change the signs inside the bracket. So what we will do here, we will write x minus 1 as it is, and there will be no change in x minus 1 because there is no multiple, there is no sign outside of the bracket of this linear algebraic expression. So we will write it as it is, plus now we will first expand this round bracket, and there is a negative sign, so we will change the signs inside the bracket. 2 is positive here, 2x is positive here, so it will be negative 2x, right? 3 is positive here and it will be negative 3 2, right? Now we have done with the negative of the linear algebraic expression. Now what you have to do, you have to expand this square bracket now, right? To expand this square bracket, you all know bracket means multiply. So first we will write x minus 1 as it is, right? Then bracket means multiply, so you will multiply this positive sign with this negative sign, plus minus minus, and 2x, and this positive sign will also be multiplied with this negative sign, so plus minus minus. You can see if there is a positive sign outside of the bracket, there will be no change inside the bracket, but if there is a negative sign outside of the bracket, it will change all the signs inside the bracket. Positives will be negatives or negatives will be positive, right? Okay, now you can see here we have 4 terms. What we have to do? We have solved this type of sum in our previous lesson. Yes, think what we have to do. Yes, we have to identify the like terms first. Good. We have to identify the like terms first, and the like terms are the terms with the same variables. And you can see here we have a pair of like terms, x and 2x, right? Because both have same variables. And we have an other pair, 1 and 3. These two are also called like terms because these two are the constant terms, right? Now next what we have to do, we have to combine these like terms with their signs. Don't forget to copy their signs. 2x is negative, so you will write x minus 2x. 1 is negative, so you will write minus 1, and 3 is also negative, so you will write minus 3. Now what is the symbol of x? There is no symbol and there is no coefficient too. So if there is no coefficient, that means it's 1, and if there is no sign, that means it's positive. Now you can see one term is positive and one term is negative. So that means you have two different signs, and for two different signs you have to subtract. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Keep the sign of your greater number, that is 2. so its sign is negative, and keep your variable. Now you can see -1, -3 both have same signs. For same signs you have to add 3 plus 1, 4, and keep the sign of your greater number, that is -3. Or I have told you before that no need to write 1 in the coefficient, because when there is no coefficient, that means it's understood that it's 1. So you can simply write it -x minus 4. So this is your required answer. Hope you have understood the procedure, and now you can solve the sums given on page number 31 of your booklet. If you face any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay, thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.